Yesterday we worked on dividing fractions using models, and today we're going to be working on dividing fractions using common denominators. I wanted to address the exit slip. This is the exit slip from yesterday, and I wanted to talk about the patterns that we saw in the problems we worked on yesterday so that you can see a connection between what we did with the models and what we're working on today. So first, I want you to examine this problem. Let me grab a pen. And looking at this problem, I want you to look at first the numerators. So I want you to think about 9 divided by 3, what you would get. Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. I also want you to think about how 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. And 3 divided by 1 just gives us 3. All right, let's look at our next example. I'll go back to using red. And now I want you to look at the numerators again. 15 divided by 4, look, that's my answer. Now, what happened with this denominator, the 10 divided by 10? Well, 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1, and 15 fourths divided by 1 is just 15 fourths, or you could say 3 3/4. All right, let's look at the next example. The numerator, 7 divided by 2, that's my answer. Now, I don't want us to totally ignore the denominators, but look at what happens. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and anything divided by 1 is going to be whatever was in the numerator. So 7 halves divided by 1 is just 7 halves, or you could say 3 1/2. And then finally, let's look at this last example. 1 divided by 5, we're just looking at the numerators. Look, that's our answer. And again, this denominator, 6 divided by 6, just comes out to be 1, which won't affect our answer. 1/5 divided by 1 is just 1/5. So I hope you're seeing that when you have common denominators, you can actually just divide the numerators, and that will give you your answer.